understand how the whole thing take come. First, the reason why Omozo backs on Iyore like this, hard like this, make I tell una. The ojuju wey Omozo carry come out for social media for Monica, my brother. I say Omozo is a jealous somebody and evil. He get where to tell the target person. You understand? Person come and come say he mad. Everybody know fit be mumu now. If you dey fool people for social media, not be people wey see dey wise, wey dey see know wetin dey happen for inside ojuju, you wan come dey deceive them. You understand? Wetin happen? Omozo carry ojuju for Monica issue. Then Iyore na be the first person to come outside come talk say that ojuju na fake. As I see that video, I don know say Omozo that dey owe Iyore for broadcast. Na say bang 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 bang. I come say Iyore no know wetin he want. Hey, Iyore no know where they go. So this video wey you do so, Omozo don hear am. You are in problem. And mind you, Iyore and Omozo, they no dey quarrel. If Mama Kevin Lukumi Lukubush, that one they climb Iyore platform. Omozo they climb Iyore platform. They don't get quarrel. But for Iyore to come and say that ojuju where Omozo carry na fake. Na there, Omozo don't begin the mat Iyore for ground. Then after Iyore come out with Osage Omotete Nadia B issue come up. Before Omozo begin come out, I don't talk and say Omozo no go support Iyore because Iyore don't fit come bust on and say ojuju wey carry na fake. And me I know say for this matter Omozo no go support Iyore. Me I don already know. And mind you, Omozo with Omotete Nadia B, Omozo the sagaram. You understand? I can't dey look. Omozo wan come first settlement. He will not fit settle your home. He wan come settle. He wan come give Iyore advice. He pay me say that video. I not see am for the analyzer. May I dey beat Omozo. Now Omozo na can't come out, can't dey advise Iyore. As they advise Iyore, and you see they insult am on top. Then like when Osage Omotete Nadia B. Now there I come say fact don't want boss. Because Omozo now don say Iyore don bring am down like ojuju wey he carry, wey he wan take come carry glory for social media. Now Iyore don bring am down say na fake. So Omozo don dey target Iyore. As Omotete Nadia B she just come wey Iyore come, there Omozo come outside come blast her. And wetin Iyore talk for that video na truth he talk. You no need to give Iyore advice. You don call am Ganoma Bie. Why are you advising him? Continue. There is no need to the advice. You wey dey call am Ganoma Bie, you see how stupid you are, Omozo. You saw somebody say Iyore na Ganoma Bie, you don fit insult am, and you go that the same person, you go toast am. You toast Iyore. See how foolish you are. You dey talk say make Iyore go solve the problem. So you know say Iyore get problem. Why you can't go toast am? Why you can't go toast am when you know say Iyore get her problem? You need to go and solve the problem. Then why you can't go toast somebody wey get problem? If I no say you habo, always dey na tell you. You were trying to insult Iyore, people they beg you. Oh, see, Iyore go finish you. Oh, see, may I play the video? I get that video. video now. That video I don't get a come analyze am for you. Una wey dey beg Omozo not to do anything. The only thing we go talk aganoma bie Eriomo Wigbo adulterous woman. He wan go bury Oyibo. As he wan go bury Oyibo, he come carry Wigbo. He come carry a follow body. Oyibo never die. He don dey afraid of Wigbo. Now that one you wan talk. Another one not dey again. Another one dey. When una dey beg am na today. Una call the beggar make the feel say in a God have been waiting. Now more listen to Iyore. You will get your own. You want to see for that video. You say make Iyore go walk. Make woman go walk. Where you dey ask they jobless. Now your woman they go walk. Utota your work pakete. Emoti agba iye Kevin mugo gwe. Odere da yin mi go wonya menya ume no wobola wegbe wa gbon. When I get later. No Iyere ma bie aganoma bie for how many years in abroad umeti mweko no fo Omozo. Umeti mu no wo. We are the gioma me no mu yero omu where abi you can eat am where iye Kevin look bush mu bi girlfriend we no pa wa beta we no pa wa beta we mu bi eke we gi wina uye bia ya gbe kia we span we oje na mame bia 1 50 cents uye agbe span we uwe won mo. You are married, I get back in a back in the way you were not dumping. A boy is around this. We are going to be who we are here. Every no year or where we're not here. I got no matter when I toast. When I met him, I'm going to hear Kevin. Oh, when I am in here. We were not diggy. Amami resort, amami fanaye uwe. When ekiage bene, wohi ya digene kohana lao. Ye Kevin Maeti amabie. Wa sungu. Bobedo avesa ma. When Maeti avesa gboefu. When I met you, best go a minute become a road before. When I don't go on, when I you, what don't give any year you useless way. Then they beg you. Ask what be your then where to be your. When you get fresh audit, you get where one can talk about. When you when you are water, I got my beer, make go find solution. Where to where I got the solution you go. Where you got the solution you boy. Ugumu go you Kevin. Come naughty. Naughty. See walking. Oh, you may not, mammy. Where we do a gioma. What day you don't get the yere ya binu make them leave Iyore with a muzzle. Did your man go we get fresh audit? Yere get fresh audit now. The only thing where a muzzle get aganoma beer no kegbo wigbo amati beer you were bashawo oh ya baby don't want tell me be raw but only one me fake ya why you fresh etu we wayere social wayere efo ime fo ime beni me we do ana ekia ne ewu me hegi ototo ekia etuwe na de gbo agbewu gbere ni agbo ma wi yere plan hewe iye gole kenu wa ba na ha na gui iye meke na do gbo wa we igbo ni agbo e party iwu gati Roma oye Roma oye Owa fresh or dirty waro we oni yera ha mola wo di omni eke o wiu wa yin na ke so ata kan aga no ma bie de mo so ha idota woto iya wi yere atoto na kwa zele bono magba ni yo zela yo is a graduate ona gbe lo ona ya wapi we peli eke uwu no nu e areba ni una the beggar you almost not get any saga wey o fit do yore o the only saga wey e get ashi wele adulterous woman oyibo never buy e carry oyibo the shopper dale that one e wan talk let them you don't go see any person wey go call and say this one don sleep with Iyore, this one don sleep with Iyore. The only thing wey you go hear say betray am that time wey he carry am put for prison, he shook am for inside prison wey dem be get that time wey dem dey do olososho na let that one. But you see Iyore no go school na sabi speak English almost a fresh update e dey write am put for down. I think you see that slap where they give you almost for example if you hear the one use a saga almost belle all una go dey roll for ground una go dey know say you're man all rolling water only that erema oye call it that carry agbada you know as almost wear agbada go party if they come back with cigarette may you sit down may you that video take do saga una go roll for ground you don't know say yere dey even dey plan make the saga come up with the man don gbin say you only a kakaba gbe I no dey work na my work be this one na my work to talk na be this one na the beggar wetin na the beggar for as the saga yesterday that the beggar yesterday wetin he talk to go and find solution to your child go find solution you get problem you dey toast her you no toast Iyore. If your wife get problem if your wife no get problem wetin make you go meet Iyore wetin go make you go meet Iyore Iyore wey say na aga normal bie Iyore wey say make go find problem to his solution make go find solution to his life make go find to the bomb when you go talk and say this life there is no life where there is no solution now you never find solution to your life muscle now you never find solution to your life make dem put you and Iyore together. No, may you come live video, may you say, may you not do live video like this, may you do live video like this, may you see at your man, guess do. The only thing what you go do, you go jump, get up, oh, go on, let's saga start, oh, go on, you just want to one boy, and we are saying, and you're not a moment. We are saying that you go. Oh God's bazin. Let's start. Saga continue. Ashi wele. When you are be a guy. When you are wanna. When you boy are why. When you are many things you will say it. Already you are no type but you get fresh hot dates where they cook with you. I may swear in a saga so have your bullet to you on this channel. Then the saga man swing, get what make it more your place more.
Disrespect him. Don't like our rubbish. Go and look for job, man. Okay, go and look for job. Don't forget about you. I'm sorry, man. Wala ke palace wa wala lo nje. Okay. I'm going to get out. Agwa ku me relax. Imagine. I'm going to have spiritual job. I do my spiritual job. I say, okay, let me relax. You get tired. You me now. What do I say? You are me now. You why are you now? Why are you now? Wow, you got me. Go, I got me control. Now we're going to control. You are perfect.
Almost let to the control. He like a control. He like to do like say yes now. Take the moon. All I say my wife wa me na gele gbagbe wo so ori ye beta bozo he say my husband na gentleman na person wey go fit deceive ye ibere we gbe mo no gbe we WhatsApp ori ye also a block wa me you want like country one full like say that wow bomb when me be there na you wa give ogbo like crayfish ogbolo pepper Vivian we what dog you dey crazy wey me feed.
When I will go with you, Baba go to me wa content. And I got that why for facial self. I mean like now.
Noti egbe tu fiele.
I don't feel cool.
Ofiekule lene mozo no gbe wa gbon.
Mami contact them was called urine. Why making a review?
Okay.
Everybody don't know the character.
Okay.
Well, the character. Even while we meet here,
okay.
I don't know what they are.
Okay. Esther, don't buy whether they beat, not be person. I know what they talk with all these things. Obege, you go to do like say that you be the Alpha and Omega. You want you collect people glory like you want to do like say that you be like you understand what you want be. But you don't know what give out that chance. Get them out of energy. You want the phone what you want from? Wow, fia good ye ba no when you marry your everywhere give up bolo egusi crayfish pepper be memuna wa deva wa what do I form you have to know your whatever many guy you want the phone glory your woman go your platform you go the beg one I was
and what be here was a sorry meet here I was about here that's a young friend about I wish you were when you said year to year you have come down and said
okay who is the daughter of Mozo a year never saga no one of the beg of Mozo but a year mess we he sleep on a sleep he not sit down na sleep he love your video now they do this video chilly and lassie sagana lawa wa to ta oko ona Mozo ya get mama blue gbe wa no gbe awe umene awe mama please egbo we ila there mama blue you don't know who are you mad you get no say I not there when mama blue do that video the video ni wow so we don't know you who know you when you maybe the Vienna when you maybe Vienna wow bell
I never know how to remember I recall it something why it is still that mama so much you know nothing about my people if you say me give the small respect, they will try to do like say the tumor.
Exactly. If you follow most where they go, no they loyal to run finish. Just regard yourself, say yes, this guy no they feed me. If you do anyhow, you give her anyhow, you dey craze. You they do like say no too much. We're not married.
Maybe me to buy carry cocoa. Image to buy special child. Not too much. Any other man, I will buy. When I go, man, we will relax. Now, the submit at that kind of thing. I don't look and say that will not be anything. I don't care now. Don't maybe we know. You know, good, maybe know me. You are both your little way. Was one. So, whenever the best shot will have to invest me. But we cannot man at all. Yeah, but you know, if I know like me, I just saw him a man with
Kiano Muladi, I mean, if I know Lamos work, now what did they talk? If I know Lamos work, Kiane no move. If not be smart enough, I say put the dollar for here again, Mona Sisia. I don't know whether they will bring my TikTok there. For second, make I put the dollar Mona Sisia view and so more. No, I make another beg here. He do, you're na Undano, Unwema. He me, away for no ela with social media now. He me, away the here. They may tell me not like be kia that lagba you know say when man bola be like this that two egg wey dey down like this almost will not get am e no get that lagba own. You know say e go jaw if he dey knack woman for back now, e dey knack her for back, e dey for back dey knack her that laga thing as e dey knack her, the thing go dey whip your clitoris, how dem dey call her. Oh, muscle no get her muscle. Oh, e be like wetin dey use her law beat or you no go see am. My man dey tell me say that muscle egg wey dey there na only one, na dey there na only one, that one no be two, na make I no fit produce pikin. E just be like say not my godfather reject her in Jesus name. Person wey throway gbola for social media, poor no shame and disgrace wey I take dey cover my face ever since then. If you see her, if may I see whether I fit put her for here, may I see whether I fit put her more na see villa, more na see feed the gbola small, don take wey we don see feed that kind gbola. How you take know? How you take know wetin dey for social media? You dey ask me I take know. What are you saying? May I put her more I see more enjoy small gbola, more see am person wey just throw away trouser for social media. You should have video na live video. Like say you have to do, you draw trouser like this. Like say the gbola you dey like this, come weak, come dey like this on top of the down with no egg. It be like wetin dey use how long beat your on. If you need to send me your WhatsApp, tell me for my WhatsApp, I go send and give you. He said the egg the eke dey with me for here now. Eke go me na eke no ma say eke o mi me. My pikin even get that thing, that two egg. My pikin even get am. E even big. If you see your muscle, oh, e je me wele. Oje ni ai, you know when they wan wash a gile, if they wan wash a gile, that long way they take the wash a gile, the gile come in. Now say that one be over 820, and that egg now be two egg, now one egg. Now muscle get or one egg. Now make I not fit born pikin. Now make I not fit born pikin. Now that one he say he want to go give Iyore belle, he go dey toast Iyore. He say I me tell you wetin dey social media. He no get fans that time they send am give me say see your godfather gbola for social media. I dey swear ogu for them. I no dey see am. Now when me and he come read quarrel, now I come go I swear with my life. When I dey with a muscle, what muscle take show that gbola, I no see that gbola, I no know the size. I no wash am. Because I know if they wash that time or that I know if they wash my papa gbola. Even them may not get fans go they send up from my DM, they send up from my WhatsApp, I go delete her and begin the cause. Now when me I come quarrel, now I come resume. When I never get her now, let me even tell the priest. I said the priest send her for me. The priest can't send her for me. Now I can resume, I can go zoom the down where the egg dey. I zoom maybe zoom baba. Now way baba. Is this my godfather gbola? Now I can zoom, I can zoom the down. Wetin come make mistake, e no open now well. But that's me no open now. Like say you take one, e no open now. Like say you where you give me, e no open now well. That one I pay me pass. My godfather for open now well. Say no open now well. So I can zoom, in a zoom. Even when I zoom, I call the first. I say the priest, what of that? Lagba wey dey on her lap, that two egg wey dey on her lap, e no dey on muscle. The priest say make I zoom am. Now I zoom am, come spread am. Now I no fit. Now I say okay, make we tell my godfather again, make he help me do am again. Now that day I start to look my godfather gbola. Then I can't go do the remade gbola wey dem dey shoot for inside that hole like this. Oh boy, this my hand so e even be pass the gbola. This hand so because that day wey you do am, the gbola come fall on top of the e no even get near it. Now this one wey dey toast Iyore. How this one want take pregnant Iyore? When you know say we go na so they get tanyame eneniyan. Odogun, you see what Iyore they call her Odogun. If ma fit they call call ma odogu, you wey no mo odogu no. You wey get some more carrot, wo haya we wa sungu. Even mama Kevin wey even born for how many children we met him we kone. We met him we kone. No be iyere we he ti amweko na nusu wa gbon egwe eva mana say you am about we dey na te ya gbe wa gbon egwe no la ma re o ge gbo follow the via ni awi are no ma 3 days iye we 3 weeks no iyere tali imaye pa tu no ge gbo wa gbon am o listen to iyore egwe.
I know the person will be saying, they'll jump on the tool and say, what for me? But for me, what there? About one sorry, man. The record of my master woman. When I don't go there, I don't just go there.
It's a gamas way. Yeah, no, yeah.
I saw what the government were one master. I repeat that hypocrite. When I know they advise me, don't let Carol while I go to side. I'm not going to take care of myself. So I call the push advice on what me. Now, una be better person. Una be better person. Now, una do saga. Why no? Why Jimona? Why no? You be media. Must you start for? Why Jimona? Why no? You be media. Must you start for saga matter? That's what they do. Saga man don't advise me. I can't na matter go that side. If you are going, why you go view? Saga you know where nana. So the Jesus.
Saga never start to. Na sleep you rest sleep o.
Amami saga, amami view, amako fara. No, amami view. Abado amama teacher do are. Ma teacher work be do. Abe emi ni wo ite Napa, Ijere Napa. I'm gonna get out. Is
it man get out?
See, I'm going to go to the one. I'm gonna do advice because when I wish I get out.
Almost like advice.
How many times when I want advice?
Almost like advice. You can advise person better than you. Person will tell me say, I can't tell us I get document. After 3 months, he come and say get document. He come there advise me say as I tell do my document, I just dey look am for phone. If they advise me how me want to do my document, you sit down, they jobless, sit down for TikTok, live video, Facebook, they talk. You dey advise me say if I want back go put my document for autonomo. Also when my husband dey work, if they work, they pay tax. He said, "Mama, no go. Why you dey look at no? Illiterate, no. You dey advise person wey dey work for so many years. He said, "Make me go put my document for autonomo." And he not get document. He not know because if he get document, he not supposed to advise me say, "Make me go put my document for autonomo." When my husband dey pay tax, he dey work. Even now, I will buy another document here.
How many times when I want to talk to money craze? What did the world? I don't know can what. How many times when I want to video for night? What did the world now? Now I have a review.
Okay.
Every month, which time I myself with this one. I'm getting now. I don't know what is for now. I don't do like say I be small picking. That came in only one way I'm not sure. You working a web. Who work with the advice me? What advice to that level pass you? I thought to. The best way I thought to be advise me, not be now. Because she did not body.
Okay. Because the people who almost will don't insult enemy who almost will get you're not get only say you're na orion bano amu egbe na aje egunini. There is nothing you can do about it. You understand? Except say you do the needful. There is nothing where not get solution. But aje we no you are orion ba without fit get why. Almost the way they advise your so concerning say where they talk say yes there is nothing you can do. They already said you re-insult palace. What did they call am mugu update? You when when person insult for your platform, you not but if they insult palace, if they send message to your papa, you go send message to your father. You don't ever come out and say message to Mugu all that. What they do, how they throw. You are biased or muzzle. You don't get person where they climb your platform day and night. You go say message to Oba. God forbid. You go say message to your papa. And muzzle. Do you ever come out make come advice? You want come advice Yore? We got if you measure Yore, you go give you. If you measure yesterday, you go give you. You don't ever, you mugu order, they insult your papa, they insult palace, they insult everything. But if they climb your platform there, you want to advise Yore. Almost well, it's after everybody know the kind of person you are. It's after just that you never know how you want to enter. If not, you for those they insult palace. Yes, they are. You know how many people don't pay you. You don't know if you want to jump enter, because if you jump enter, people go blast on you. You go fall Jakarta. Now indirect you to the true world go palace. For that palace, nobody they respected. They don't share elderly people there. They have no why they money. Palace. You don't know if you want to enter the game, because you see as people go all day they saw palace. They give her money. Go where you corner ya now. You don't know if you want to enter. That go say you don't use your mouth talk and say they don't pay you. Say they take trauma for palace. You say you no go green. But people they do you not talk. Who go up there they insult palace. You go say message to. You don't see that. You don't see that video where you say message to your papa. He even mention his name. Almost you have seen that video. Do you ever come out to say anything about that video? No. Now you want the advice Yore. You the grace. We're better than who we're been here. We're better than who we're been here. Than who we're going here. Do you ever wait till you go out that way? No, Emma. Because you the fair how you want to enter to the sub palace. Because you don't calculate and say if you do you are going down. You are going down. We're maybe we are loud. We are a vessel. Go on, we are vessel. When I tell what we get, you go back. You get a mad deal with you. You get a mad deal with you. Wow, bomb. You the fair way to his sub palace. You the fair way you never see. You want to advise people. See your life. Mama na mama. You go as go do marriage. You wear okuku. You call that woman heart. Say you don't know whether you don't know. Say palace doctor say make them not do this kind of okuku. But you have been wearing it, doing it. You did not say anything. Now where una don't quarrel now. You come begin they bring the issue. They come and say, come on, go and sit down. Matter the biased people. You are very stupid. What do go on? When I met better no road, when all documented immigrant, what they what?
You're not good. You're not good. You're give up. Tomorrow you're not in it. Next tomorrow I cannot be.
In any trade, but it toast you. Na any trade, I'm not toast to where. When you not come feel yourself, person will call you nitrate. Person will call you aganoma beer. Now it can't they toast you. Because what you see for your body, not see. What you see for your body, not see for mama everybody. I will not tell where any treat in there. I will not tell what Ganama Biane or doctors to wear. Thank God say you not grief for her. She had used the beg. I was almost say, if you see a while, you thank God say I come out as a godfather. God thank. Oh, you get boy na come. Oh, come the war. Who tell my any treat of my day school? Who tell one now? You said it, but you toast her. We ebe amana so wa wa we de ngate yawo we ona mati bia degi ekeni hu tu we degi ekeni hi ona mati bia we ya toast we gbera go da wa bu we gbera ni yeke we
una help. But una hold dey una body, una forget. Na wa tine na me dey pick come up.